everyone. So, hope everyone is safe in this quarantine period and stay tuned with the naturopathy and yoga and wellness with Kalpana. So, today the topic what we are going to see is about maca. So, maca is a very useful and medicinal plant which we normally don't know its benefits and we normally don't use much in our day to day life. So, today let's see about it, what it actually means, and what it actually does to our body. So maca is considered to be the natural ingredient which is available in our environment for the purpose of curing all sort of reproductive disorders, as we currently facing lot of problems regarding infertility and PCOS and lot of dysfunctional erectile dysfunctional problem. So all those affect all the problem have a simple and very effective solution in the Indian medicine. We call it as the maca. So let's go into the topic. We see about the introduction of the plant. The maca plant has scientifically known as the Lepidium minae, which is also known as Peruvian ginseng. Actually, the maca plant's origin is not from India, and hence the plant mainly grows up in the mountains of Peru in harsh condition. So later on at the end of this video, I'll be sharing you about the plant which has the similar effect which is easily available in India. Okay, let's move into the content or the nutritional value which is present in maca plant. So the maca plant has almost of about 80% of water, especially in the fresh content if you are using it, and it also has high amount of iron as well as calcium. And the maca plant is also rich in protein, carbohydrate, as well as saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acids. Actually, the unsaturated fatty acid is almost of about 52.7 percentage. So now let's see about its benefits. The benefits what I'm going to share now is all the researches which had been taken place in mice. So all the experiments they have done in mice and rats, and they have found out some certain informations or the benefits which can correlate or which can be beneficial to the human beings. So let's go into the research paper review. So they are telling that responsible for improving sexual behavior. This is the first thing what they shared in the NCBI research paper. And the second, they are telling that the maca plant also having the capacity or the capability to increase the sperm mortality. So it increases the sperm mortality as well as the sperm count. So it's all the experiments they have made out in rat, and they found out the result to be positive. So they are also telling that there are different types of maca, almost of red color and yellow color, and they are telling that yellow maca are the varieties responsible to increase sperm counts and sperm mortality, whereas red maca has no effect upon it. It is about the differentiation between the red and yellow maca. And here they are telling that red maca prevented the prostate hyperplasia in the mice, as well as the yellow maca had intermediate effects and black had not effect on prostate size. So they are comparing between the all the three types of maca of black color, red color and yellow color. And third thing, they are telling that maca extract has been demonstrated to improve the number of offsprings in mice. This effect seems to due to an effect favoring survival of embryos. This was also a wonderful result what they got during the experiments with the mice. So all the information what I gathered will be posted down in the link. So please go through the research paper. Hence, here goes the major three benefits of the maca root. One is it increases the libido in men as well as women, as infertility and reproductive related problem are the major issues among the adult. And second most important thing is it decreases the signs and symptoms and the problems associated with menopause. And third is it prevents or protects the skin from the UV radiations. So these are the major three benefits which we get from the plant maca. So hence let's see the brief information regarding each and every benefits. The first thing is it increases the libido in men and women. What they have shared is that reduced sexual desire is a common problem among adults. Consequently, interest in herbs and plants that naturally boost libido is great. Maca has been heavily marked as being effective at improving sexual desire and it's calmed in backed by research. A review from 2010 that include four randomized clinical studies with a total of 131 participants found evidence that maca improves sexual desire after at least 6 weeks of ingestion. Maca can increase the sperm protection and improve sperm quality, therefore enhance fertility in men. This is what they have given the proof and the research what they have done during the period. Justification for second benefits. Menopause is defined as the time in a woman's life where her menstrual period stops permanently. So this is a very crucial period for each and every woman where they face lot of difficulties as well as mentally as well as psychologically lot of problems they will be facing. So the natural decline in estrogen that occurs during this time which may lead to or which causes a range of unpleasant symptoms, so it may be in form of anger or anxiety, insomnia, etc., etc., etc. This includes hot flashes, vaginal dryness, mood swings, sleep problem, and irritability. So these are the major problems faced by each and every woman. On review of four studies in menopausal women found that maca helped elevate menopausal syndrome, including hot flash and interrupted sleep from the sun UV radiations. This is the information what we got in the third benefits. And finally, they have also said some informations regarding the maca that a large prostate is common among older men and can cause issue with urination. So animal studies suggest that red maca can reduce prostate size. So this is also one of the study they have made out in the usage of maca. So what they are saying that this is because it contains goitrogens, so substance that may interfere with the normal function of thyroid gland, that we call it as goitrogens. These compounds are more likely to affect you if you already have impaired thyroid functions, and hence before you intake of any medicinal plant, please consult a naturopathy doctor before you intake as a therapeutic medicine. So lastly, pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult with their doctors before taking maca. So they should not take as it is by seeing any sort of videos or any sort of articles, because it may have some sort of contraindications for the women during the particular period of time. So before you take any food, so please consult a naturopathy doctor regarding the dosage and how much you have to take and how you have to take. There are a lot of procedures for taking medicines. So now we have came to the conclusion of the video. So at the end, as I said earlier, I'm going to share the information. The Indian variety of the maca root is which is referred to as ashwagandha in Indian language. So in Tamil it is said to as Amukra Kilangu. So Amukra Kilangu, all the descriptions and Tamil benefits which has been given below the description. So please do read it. And the Withania somnifera is the scientific, the botanical name for the Indian plant. So that's all about the information regarding the maca. So once again, I'm repeating that before you take any sort of medicinal plant for the purpose of any pathological condition, which means any diseased condition, please consult a doctor before you take, because there may be a lot of side effects of the plant. It's not the side effects, but it may not be beneficial to you at that period of time, may be contraindicated to your body for certain period. So in order to get relief from those problems, consult a doctor before you take any sort of medicines. So this is an video which shared a complete review regarding the maca root, and thank you so much for listening, and stay tuned with the YouTube channel Naturopathy and Yoga, and please do subscribe and click on the icon of bell button, and please be stay tuned, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you.